Thanksgiving Eve, y'all. So I went and picked up my rolls from Texas Roadhouse. I started about a year ago. Instead of making my own rolls or buying them from Sam's, I would get them fresh from Texas Roadhouse. And love their rolls. You can get them with the cinnamon sugar, but I like the regular ones for my meals. I got this fresh, y'all, young, fresh turkey. And I'm going to show y'all how much I paid. Because if I would tell y'all say she lying. $5.97. It was 47 cents a pound. I say $25. I got my ham. Look, I got my turkey and ham for less than $14 this year. So I think I did darn good. But you know what? I feel like it's just a blessing for being a blessing to other people. I'm telling y'all, live like that. You'll see. You'll see. You'll see. Okay, so that's my turkey and my ham for my $14. I got some more salted butter because I may make some well, when we have our dinner for Christmas, I'm gonna make a dessert and my broccoli casserole to take to our dinner for Christmas. I also went to this fresh meat market and got some turkey wings because I wasn't sure. I didn't want a real big turkey. The smallest turkey they had at Walmart, y'all, was probably like, ooh, it was too big. It was too big. So I got onion. I like fresh garlic for my dressing. I got 2 lemons. These lemons were 78 cents a piece. They didn't have a small thing of K-roll syrup, so I went ahead and got the big one. But this size, you only need a cup. You can make 4 pies out of this one thing. It was $6 though. I got some Velveeta cheese just because I like to keep it on hand. Y'all know New Year's Eve, I do finger foods. So we'll have rotel, and I already have that. I got my green onion. I thought these were like 2 for $1, 88 cents. But they did have the celery for 97 cents, so that was good. They had the bell pepper, 78 cents. I got this one thing of strawberries because they were $2. I'm going to take these and cut them up and put them in the freezer, getting ready for my smoothies. And also, I got 3 bunches of collard greens. These were 97 cents a bunch. And I got a baker cake because I'm not baking any cakes. I'm only baking, well, I have a sweet potato pie I baked. My daughter said it was good, so I'm not going to bake another one. But I'm going to make a pecan pie. My son has an Edwards pie, and I bought a baker cake, and I got the blueberry ice cream to go along with it. I like the Sam's ice cream better with baker cakes, but I didn't want to fight the crowd at Sam's because I've been shopping for different occasions already, and I'm Sam's out, for real. All right, that's all I have. I wanted to come on and say happy Thanksgiving. Much and many blessings to all. Welcome all my new subscribers. It's all love over here. Check out my recipes. I have cornbread dressing. I have potato salad. I have mac and cheese. I have all types of desserts, all types of recipes. And I may actually make a video doing some of them here this Thanksgiving. But if not, check out my videos because they're pretty good. Talk to y'all later. Much love. Be blessed. Bye.